Hello students. In this video, we are going to discuss about the course modules of Fusion 360. So before proceeding further, let's understand what is Fusion 360. So in brief, Fusion 360 is a cloud-based CAD/CAM tool for collaborative product development that combines industrial design, mechanical engineering, and machining into one software solution. So let's proceed further. So in total, in this course, there will be 5 modules as illustrated on your screen. Module 1 will be related to Introduction to Fusion 360. Module 2 will be related to 2D sketching in Fusion 360. Module 3 will be regarding 3D modeling in Fusion 360. Module 4 we will learn about the CAM part, and module 5 we will be about going to learn about the introductory part of the generative design in Fusion 360. So let's understand these 5 modules in detail. So in module 1, that is Introduction to Fusion 360, we have following topics. First one is introductory part about the Fusion 360. As most of you are new to Fusion 360 or either coming from learning the other CAD software like Tinkercad or SolidWorks, we will try to understand the how Fusion 360 is different from Tinkercad, SolidWorks or other CAD software. The next part we are going to learn about the account creation at Autodesk, and then how to create an account, create an educator account or student account so that we can get the license software. Then we'll go to the installation and activation guideline, and once we complete the first three steps, we are ready to start with the designing part. So then we will cover the graphic user interface part, then we will go to the display control and utilization of data panel on managing the design in data panel. So all these topic we are going to cover in module 1. Let's proceed to the module 2. Module 2 will be covering the 2D sketch part in Fusion 360. In this module, we will learn about how to create a sketch in Fusion 360, how to edit that sketch using various tools, and what are the various sketch parameter and constraint that will be useful in the sketching. Then the important part is reusing of sketch. And finally, how to extrude a sketch in 3D. Although our learning will not only be limited to these topics while in the context of 2D sketching, but for having the idea and the standard guideline, we are discussing all these topics. Let's proceed further. In module 3, as we have already covered 2D part in module 2, then after covering the 2D sketching, we will proceed to the 3D modeling part. In this 3D modeling, we will be discussing about the part modeling part. In the part modeling, we will have various commands. We will learn about extrude, revolve, sweep, load, loft, etc. Then we will proceed to the modification tools. Then other aspects like team building in Fusion 360, as Fusion 360 is a cloud based software, so collaboration can be done from any of the devices, and the number of the depending upon the number of team members, the project can be shared accordingly. Then in the last, once we complete the modeling part, we will also have a look at the various drawings which can be drawn using Fusion 360. In module 4, we will be introducing the CAM feature in Fusion 360. So firstly, we will learn about the introduction part in the CAM, how we can generate the CNC programming in Fusion 360. We will also be going through that, what is reverse engineering, Then we will come to the stock creation. What are the different stock size, for example. Then finally we will be looking to learn about the tool setting. In tool setting, there are various things we will be going to learn, like tool location, tool selection, various tool parameters, and as well as when it comes to the manufacturing, we will be selecting various operations like 2D pocket, 2D contour, drilling, threading, boring, etc. In the last module, there is very interesting module in Fusion 360, that is generative design. So we will be covering the introductory part of the generative designs. As I already said, although these module will be not limited, but for the basic idea, at the end of this video, you will have the basic idea about the course module and what we are going to cover in this course. So, thank you for listening.